Oh shit.
At least she's firing.
Yeah, fuck yeah. It was spitting out some grass and shit. Give it fuel, give it fuel. Give it fuel, yeah, give it some, give it some. Let it run, let it bop it out. Oh, they're almost there, almost there. The gas is probably old too, yeah? Let's go. Oh, she's spinning. Fuck yeah, dude. Hey, yo, dude, that's lit though. It's running.
You're using mixed gas, right? Oil?
I think this is the gasoline.
Sounds like keystroke.
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Give me gas. Oof. He wants to go, eh?